Okay, everyone, and now we meet again, and today I want to show you how to use React in the Laravel 8 with the full video. And this is the part 1 that I want to show you how to install the Laravel 8. And we start the Laravel 8 install your computer. You must read the content, and then we must read the content. We have the 11 content. Okay, and read step by step in my content. So don't waste time. We go to the check, or if you have no the PHP version in your computer, you must download and install it. Okay, and this is the PHP in my version. I install already. Okay, and if we have no in the node in the computer, you must go to the browser, Chrome or any browser, and we typing the node.js. Okay, and I will click to the download here, but you must select your system we use. I use the Windows installer. Okay, you can choose the button like this. Okay, we go here, but now I installed it already, so we check the node version. We use okay, I use node version 16. Okay, when we install the content in Node.js already, we please go to the download composer. Okay, and we go to the browser. I go back and we type in the composer. Okay, please wait, and my internet is very slow, so we click the download here, or you can use the any your command. Okay, I click the composer setup.ee. Sorry, I am force sound destroyed from outside. Okay, when you complete the download already, please go to the composer. Okay, but I click to install it into your computer. After we install the complete already, so we check the composer version. Okay, so and this is the version and the command that we must know how to use the command in the composer. Okay, now I go back and exit to continue the content install Laravel 8. So we must go to the website laravel.com. Okay, and go to the .com and click the documentation. Okay, please wait, my internet went slow. Okay, now we go to the installation, and we choose the Laravel 8, but the Laravel 8 has no command to install here, but you can go to the version 6. We had to use the install the Laravel 8 with the command here. Okay, and we can install Laravel by the composer, or we can install Laravel by the Laravel new in the blog. In blog, refer to the directory your folder that you want to rename it. Okay, if you use the Laravel with the 6 point with the version like this, mean that you can use the 6th version, but you can remove here to download the last version Laravel 8. Okay, we go to and we copy the command here. Go to the XAMPP. Okay, I install XAMPP.php. So we go to the htdoc. Now I create the funda Laravel 8 react. Okay, react in Laravel 8. So we click in the folder. Okay, I install with the git. Okay, so we must pass the command you here. So I Laravel react in Laravel 8. Okay, press enter to install the complete, and please wait now we download the compact information to install your computer. Okay, please wait to the 5 minutes or refer to your internet fast or not. Okay, please wait a bit. Now the Laravel generating optimize all the load file. I complete, so we go to the directory, or we can use the command here. Okay, I see it. Sorry. Okay, now I complete the order this with the successfully with the install. So we check the folder, we can list. Now we read the folder, I copy here, or we use the CD. Okay, I pass here. Now we use the go to the content number 6. Oh, number 5. Sorry, number 5. And now we install the Laravel UI. I copy here. So I pass in the git with the command here. So please wait to install the Laravel UI. Okay, I complete the order these in the Laravel UI ready. So go to the number 6 and we install the Ui Bootstrap. Copy here. Okay, I clear to. I press the enter. Okay, read or install successfully. And the numbers when we install the artisan UI here. Okay, and pass install it. Okay, successfully. Number 8, we install the UI React auth. I copy and press to enter. Okay, React scaffolding install successfully. So number 9, and install the npm. Yes, but you install the before we install npm, you must the node.js before you install npm. So I press enter to install the package and download from the internet into the our project with the package. Okay, I install complete successfully with the npm. So I open the Visual Studio Code to typing code, or you can use the sampling touch on the NetBeans. So I go to the project. Here we go to the jam and open the project. I react Laravel 8. So I open. Okay, I use react Laravel 8. Okay, and you need to note that we install into the ready, and you can read the composer or the JSON with the package here. Okay, after we complete the ready, so we read. Okay, we run the void content here. Okay, I pass. Oh, sorry. npm run void. Okay, now we run it again. Okay, now we compile with the Laravel mix successfully. So we go to the content element number. We use the PHP artisan self. Okay, or you can run in the Visual Studio code here. Okay, I close it, and we use the npm run bash. Okay, so I take the plus here. So I pass the common PHP artisan serve to run the Laravel. Please go to the browser and type in the localhost. Okay, so we read it successfully here. Okay, but we want to display with the react because this content we talk about how to use the react in Laravel. Okay, so I go to the test. In the webcam here. In the webcam we can copy or we can use the in home. Okay. Now I want to create one more, so I test react here. So we use the Untitled.php. So in the home, we copy here. Okay, I pass. So I pass here. Okay, sorry everyone, my typing and very destroy. React display here. So we go to the route, okay, and change to the intake. And now we run again. Okay, React display here. So we go to, but when I install with the React, we need the app.cs and app.js that we configure. Let's say in the result. Okay, in the result in the app.js bootstrap here. You can more. We read the compact.mix.js. Okay, with the link directory. So in the result we have the default component reactJS. So now I want to call here with and when we run and we check the document get element by the example here. Okay, and with the react resume, so I copy the example with the element item. Okay. Element item, I go to the intake. So I pass here with the use. Okay, and I delete here. So I just deal ID and we pass the example here. Okay. So now we run again. Okay, now we display with the component here. So I want to test example. So we go to the component and I user.cs. Okay, we want to display with the user, and now I want to display here. Okay, use. So I copy from the example. Go to the user again, and we export with the default class user. So in the element get element by ID, I input the user. Okay, so add a user. So we display list and we type the user list. Okay, now I go to and we go find to the app.js, and now we require a dot component slash, and we add a user here. So and I go to the react the page one more, we input the user. So I click here in the folder. Oh, now we test with the beginner step by step. So I use the user.let.php. I copy the input here, go to the user, and now we add the class user. Okay, but we import the React from Doom. And Doom from React Doom. Okay. We import it already. Now I go to the route in the web PHP. So I want to add a new route. I get and we input the user function. You okay, I add a user here. So now we go to the refresh, and I add user here. Okay, and we display. So we go to the user. Okay, now we display the error. We rename with the example with this. Okay, why this show the error? Okay, we saw the error with a lot of make can't resolve prop types. Okay, and we the start type I remove here. Now we run again. You cannot type. Okay, I remove the prop types and run again. Cannot resolve in the prop types. Run it successfully, so I run again. Okay, now we have the user list. So I copy the weight sample and the pass class here. So we go to the user and pass the user here. Okay. User component, and I copy. So we use the user component. Okay, now we refresh again. Okay, we have the component. Okay, everyone, now I want to finish lesson 1, and next time we continue with the episode 2. Okay, episode 2, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Or if you have any problem, you can contact or type the comment below my video. Okay, thank you everybody. Best time to read or and follow step by step in my video. Okay, good luck everyone, and goodbye.